Hey creative heroes! On a special request made by you guys on my previous mask videos, I had come up with a series of masks of Dragon Balls. Let's begin with the Piccolo mask. Prepare a stencil out of A4 size paper, fold it vertically, mark at 4 into 3 inches, followed by another marking at 2 into 2.5 inches, and finally ending up with a 2-inch marking again. Join the ends to form an oval-shaped face cut. Mark 4-inch neck area under the chin. Now draw 3 inches horizontal line at a gap of ½ inch under the chin, followed by tracing the freehand neck. Draw 2 slant lines of 1 inch length in the upward direction. Join both the lines to form the ears. Mark an arch in the center of the head area, followed by drawing a 3-inch long horns. Place it on a green sheet, trace and cut it off. Now cut the neck of the stencils and trace it on the mask. Do the same with the ears and the horns. Mark the center on the mask and let's work on the face of Piccolo. Draw a slant line touching the top of the ears. At a distance of ½ inch from the ears, draw 1-inch slant lines, followed by drawing the baseline of the eyes. Now draw 2-inch long sharp conical nose, followed by lightly tracing the lips. The shadings and highlights are necessary to give life to its expressions. Finally, cut the eyes hollows. Just punch hole on the ears and tie a thread to wear the mask. Our Piccolo mask is ready with its deadly look. To get the idea of how to make the mask of our other 2 heroes of Dragon Balls, just subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. I shall come up with Frieza mask tomorrow, followed by an easy DIY of Goku mask as well. So keep connected to ZebsArtbeat. Till then, see you. Bye bye.